Okay, this is a 2007 Kenworth T800. That's 830,296 miles on it, 27,656 for hours. They don't know of any engine work that's been done to the truck. Oil pressure seems good. Engine temp seems good. Oil temp, engine temp are matching up together. Again, I think this truck has had a DPF delete on it. I didn't see one on the engine. I could have missed it, so take a look at that. This does have Diff Lock, suspension drop, sliding fifth wheel, cruise. This is your Jake brake, and then your lights. AC, I have it on, but it's not hooked up, so it's not working. Radio. I don't know if that's the right button or not, but anyway. Can't turn signal. Other turn signal. Wipers. Windshield is cracked. It does have spray. Sides. Power window. Has a power mirror on that side. It does work. And then it has this relay system in it. So that little piece is cracked right there. You have the scanner. So you guys don't have to watch this.